Hello, my name is Jonathan Hargraves, and today we're going to be presenting $380 worth in sneakers. Are you as excited as I am? And let's go. After the Warriors lost the NBA Finals for the first time, the Under Armour Curry's 3 shoes were released. The Under Armour Curry 3 Dub Nation home shoes were made for the purpose of helping Stephen Curry on the court. Curry's shoes have soles made of hard rubber, and the rubber is made from the herringbone pattern to make for good traction. There is minimal impact when landing on the floor. The shoes have a soft feel to them, and you can feel the grooves in the shoe rubber. Some negatives about the shoes, however, are that the shoes have firm cushioning, and shoes take a long time to break into. The average price is $75 for a Curry shoe. The creator of the Jordan Legacy 312 Knicks is Don C., who is a huge fan of Air Jordans. So when Don C. published his first shoe, there were countless years of love to be found in the shoe. These shoes are made of leather, so the feeling on the shoes are smooth to the touch. There's also polyurethane on there, so the design makes it look cool as well. The mid-foot strap helps to make a secure fit. The shoes are known to be easy to clean, and the overall price is $75. Next up are the Nike Air Max 270s. The shoes were made on February 1st, 2018. The shoes have a lightweight mesh that gives it a good feel and some freedom for the foot to move around, and the air bubble makes these shoes good for running. The air bubbles have a visibility of 270 degrees, which is pretty cool and pretty neat for a shoe, if you ask me. The price on these shoes is $135. This next shoe is the Nike Air Max 720s. The Nike Air Max 720 shoes were made on February 1st, 2019, which is exactly 1 year after the Nike Air Max 270s were made. These shoes have a 720 degree visibility in the air bubble, which is more than the 270 degree visibility in the previous shoes. These shoes are mostly made of manufacturing waste, and they manage to still look good, which is pretty neat. And the pricing is $95. I hope you guys enjoyed this video as much as I do. Please be sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and I hope to see you soon.